Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic related to Qshell command, where we will see how we can use the Qshell command in order to search for a multiple pattern in a single row. Okay, so this is our target and how we are going to proceed with this session. First of all, I'll tell you and I'll show you the file with the data that I have prepared for the demo purpose. Once that data is like we are once we have walked that data, then I'll tell you the requirement, because to learn any topic we should know about the requirement first, like what is the requirement to study that particular topic, and what is the need of that command, right? So this thing we will clear, and then later we will see how we can use the command, the actual command that will help us to search for a multiple pattern in a single row. Later, what we will do at the end, we will discuss the way to use the same command with the help of clle program. Okay, so this would be our flow for today's session. So let's start with the first thing, file. So to check my file, I have already created a file in my location in my present working directory. So I'll walk you through that thing. So for that, what we need to do, we have to hit this command work lnk, work lnk, then simply hit enter. Once we hit enter, it will show you the directory, and this is my present working directory, which is /home/Sharmit, present working directory. Okay, in your case the username would be different, but once you hit work lnk command, it will take you to your present working directory. Okay, so now in this directory I have created one demo file. So for that, I'll just simply do page down to search for my file, which is abc.txt. You can see here abc.txt. So in this file I have stored some sample data. Let me show you that data as well. So you can see in the first line I have written demo and demo from file 1 line 2. Then we have demo from file 1 line 4, demo from file 1 line 6, demo from file 1 line 8, and testing line and new entry. Now you can see wherever we have written the demo is different type of cases, right? Somewhere we are writing the capital demo, somewhere we are writing the demo with capital D, somewhere we are writing the demo in small letters. Okay, so this is our way to generate the test data for this particular thing, or for this particular example. So now we will understand the requirement, and then we will see the actual command. So just assume a scenario where you are supposed to search for a line where both keyword is present, which is demo and demo. Okay, so these are two pattern for me, and I would like to search for a particular line where these two patterns are available. So you can see by looking at all these lines, you can see that only in the first line these two patterns are present, right? Small demo and demo with a capital D. Got it? So it is present in both in the first line. Now what we will do, we will like just assume a scenario. Right now we have only one word in between this, and, right? But it could be anything, like let's say if there is 1 2 3 4 in between the demo and some text are there, some special characters are there, right? So these are the possibility. But if you look at this entire line, then these two patterns are available, and we are just interested in pattern. If patterns are available, then we should select that line. Okay, and then if patterns are available, then we are interested in that particular line. So this is our requirement. We have to search for the line which contains both the patterns. Okay, so let's see how we can use a grep command in order to search for this line. So for this, what we will do, I'll firstly take F3 from here. Okay, and then we are good to use the qsh command. Now what qsh will do, it will open the command qshell command entry screen. So simply hit enter here, and here you can see this qsh command entry screen has been opened, which we will use in which we will use in order to search like for executing the command related to qshell. Okay, so just simply go and write here grep, which is my command, then space. After that you can simply put single quote, and after single quote you can write demo, then space. Here we are supposed to write dot and asterisk. Okay, you can write in this way, dot asterisk, and then the second keyword, which is demo. Then after writing demo dot asterisk and then capital demo, we are closing the code, and then I just write here my file location. So my file location is /home/sharmit/abc.txt. Okay, let's try to hit enter here. Once I hit enter here, it fetched this line which contains demo in small case and demo with capital D. Okay, so this is how we can utilize the grep command in order to search for multiple pattern in a single row. Okay, now if I take F9 again and if I explain you the command, then this is straightforward. Like firstly you have to write grep, which is command itself. Then inside quote you are supposed to pass the all patterns. So let's say I want to search for demo, then in between I have kept this dot and asterisk, which means there could be anything. Like there is like it here in this space we can there could be any data, right? It is not always mandatory that we have to write and demo. It could contain any data, right? Then after that we are writing demo in with capital D. Okay, so what it will do, it will search for both the patterns small demo and capital demo, where in my location /home/sharmit/abc.txt. So once I hit enter here, you can see it prints the line demo and demo from file 1 line 2. Okay, now there might be some question from you guys, like what will happen if I remove this dot? So in this case what it will do, it will search for entire word. Now it will consider this entire word, not the pattern. Okay, so which means it will look for demo asterisk demo, but this is not our requirement, right? And that's why we are not getting anything, because there is no word present like this demo asterisk demo. So that's why. And similarly if you remove asterisk and just keep the dot here, still it will search for demo.demo. But our main purpose is to search for both patterns, small demo and capital demo. So that's the reason we are using the same syntax. Like make sure that you are using the same syntax, demo dot asterisk demo. Okay, okay, let's try to do one more thing. If I write here dot asterisk and maybe let's try with file 1. Okay, file hyphen 1. So let's see what will happen. It is fetching this line. Why? Because these are the three patterns, demo, which is present here, then we have capital demo with capital D, which is also present here, and then file 1, and in between there could be anything. Okay, it is not fixed that we have to keep from, and it could be anything. So it means it is providing us the correct data. Fine, now what we will do, I think now we are comfortable with this command, so we can see how we can utilize this command through clle program. So for that what I'm going to do, I'm writing here, I have already written one program with the name run qsh hash. So I'm taking option 2 here, and here you can see first of all this program is to search for the lines matching multiple patterns. Okay, so it can check for multiple patterns. If like let's say if there are 10 records and 10 rows, and in all 10 rows there are multiple patterns available, so it will simply print all the things, right? So to run it through cl program, we need one variable. So to declare that, you can simply write dcl, then take F4, provide variable name, type, storage, length, and then simply hit enter. If you don't know the basic, then I recommend you to go and check out the previous session, because there we have already discussed these things. Then simply write chgvar, take F4, provide your variable name and the pattern or the command which you are looking for. So I just write here in the same manner. Here I'm not specifying the my location, because it will directly take it from the home directory /home/sharmit, my present working directory. But still I would recommend you to keep always the path here if you are using it for your project purpose. But if you are just using it for the demo purpose, then it is fine. It will take directly from your present working directory. So variable is ready. Now it's time to run the command. So simply write strqsh, write your variable name here, and we are done with this program. So let's quickly compile it and see the output. You can see it is printing the result output because small demo and demo with capital D is present here. Okay, so yeah, I think now we are good to wind up this session. And if I think I hope everything is clear to all of you. And in the next session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.